an exciting technological journey by unlocking the doors to the world of 3D printing. Join us as we explore the top 3D printers on the market, discovering the wonders of this incredible technology together. Considering quality, speed, and budget-friendly options, let's take a step into the future of manufacturing. Are you ready? Then, don't forget to like and subscribe because you won't want to miss more from this technological marvel world. Best 3D printer overall. Bambu Lab P1P. The Bambu Lab P1P stands out as the go-to 3D printer for a wide range of users, offering swift setup, user-friendly operation, and impressive printing speed. Notably, it excels in customization, providing templates for personalized side panels, and supporting up to 16 colors through its automatic material system, AMS. Users have the option to control the printer through an onboard screen or connect it to Bambu's slicing software and mobile app. While the printer demonstrated some limitations with advanced materials requiring a heated chamber and proved somewhat challenging to customize, it still impresses with its affordability considering the features it offers. The Bambu Lab P1P has the potential to disrupt the 3D printing market, thanks to its remarkable combination of price and capabilities. Best Budget 3D Printer. Mingda Magician X2. For hobbyists and beginners seeking an affordable yet feature-rich 3D printer, the Mingda Magician X2 offers an excellent balance between performance and cost-effectiveness, standing out in the realm of budget-friendly options like the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. Our tests revealed several standout features, especially beneficial for beginners: the 16-point auto-leveling, quick swap extruder, filament detection, and removable PI build platform simplify the printing process for novices. The touchscreen LCD, displaying essential information like hotbed temperature and user-friendly adjustments such as baby step Z-axis tuning, further enhances the overall printing experience. While there are compromises, such as limited nozzle options and the need for fine-tuning for optimal print quality, the Mingda Magician X2 presents an outstanding deal considering its affordability. It proves to be a fantastic choice for those entering the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. Best 3D printer for beginners. Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro stands out as an excellent choice among 3D printers for beginners, provided you are willing to make a certain level of investment. Key features of the Neptune 4 Pro include a dual-gear direct drive extruder for consistent filament extrusion and an intelligent segmented heat bed that ensures precise temperature control. The printer's robust construction enhances overall reliability and durability. Compared to its predecessors, the Neptune 4 Pro boasts significant improvements in speed, bed leveling, and extruder performance, making it a valuable upgrade for those seeking enhanced printing capabilities. In our tests, the printer demonstrated reliable and consistent print quality, while initial dimensional accuracy showed some deviations. Easy adjustments to belt tension rectified the issue, resulting in precise and smooth models. Although we encountered minor challenges such as initial dimensional accuracy adjustments and software compatibility, these issues were easily overcome. With competitive pricing, robust features, and reliable performance, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro offers an excellent value proposition in its price range. Best Premium 3D Printer. Original Prusa for Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa for Malawian Kwachas stands out as a best-in-class performer in our experience with the machine, making it a top choice in the world of 3D printers. The only factor holding it back from being the absolute best is its premium price tag. This feature-rich FDM printer builds upon the success of its predecessor, the MK3S, introducing new advanced features and delivering impressive performance. During our tests, the 4 Malawian Kwachas proved to be exceptional, showcasing the commitment of the company to the open-source community. The inclusion of the load cell sensor ensures trouble-free first-layer printing, while the next-gen extruder enhances ease of maintenance and safety. Every aspect of the machine has been improved, including the 32-bit core that provides great flexibility for remote printing, quick swap nozzles, and a customizable UI. The 4 Malawian Kwachas supports a wide range of materials, from PLA and PETG to nylon, ASA, PVA, and more, with reliability, automatic first-layer calibration, impressive printing speed, and safety features like filament sensors and power panic. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas emerges as the printer to own. This device offers excellent speed and accuracy, proving surprisingly easy to use despite its complex toolset. Overall, its advanced features, automatic bed leveling, and compatibility with various materials make it a versatile and powerful tool suitable for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Best large-scale 3D printer. Anycubic Cobra Plus. The Anycubic Cobra Plus stands out as a 3D printer that seamlessly combines expansive printing capabilities with a rich set of features, providing ample room for creative expression. While its substantial build volume catches the eye, it's the printer's exceptional reliability and user-friendly design that truly distinguish it in a competitive market. Although the Cobra Plus may appear imposing due to its size and weight, its intuitive design and lightweight construction make setup and operation a breeze. Once assembled, users can enjoy features like auto bed leveling, filament detection, and a user-friendly touchscreen, enhancing the overall user experience. The Cobra Plus doesn't compromise on delivering high-quality prints, consistently ensuring exceptional results for our projects. While the glass print bed presented occasional challenges during print removal, this minor inconvenience was outweighed by the printer's outstanding performance in our testing. Despite a few areas that could benefit from refinement, the Anycubic Cobra Plus offers tremendous value for its price. This 3D printer is an ideal choice for those seeking a large-scale, reliable, and feature-packed machine to bring their creative visions to life. And that brings us to the end of our video. I hope this 3D printer review has been informative and enjoyable for you. Among the models we explored today, there were truly impressive options. If you're considering purchasing a 3D printer, we aim to provide a detailed and comprehensive look at each model, hoping to assist you in finding the one that best suits your needs. Remember, each 3D printer has its unique advantages and use cases. It's crucial to consider features, performance, and price to choose the one that fits your requirements. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. The world of 3D printing is constantly evolving, and interest in this technology is growing every day. You can use these fantastic tools to bring your projects to life and push the boundaries of your creativity. Each of these printers, captivating in its own way, can help you turn the objects of your imagination into reality. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time.